In this video, I'm going to review the performance of the option trade alert we posted for LVS here at Stock Market Guides. So LVS, that's Las Vegas Sands Corporation. And you can see here on my screen, I'm showing the completed trade alerts in the last 2 weeks. And so these are option trades where the trade is designed to last about a week, up to a week. And so you can see here, this is the one for LVS. And you can see when we post a trade alert, we indicate, the exact expiration date, the strike price, of course, the underlying stock ticker symbol, and the fact that it's a call option. And so you can see here that when we posted this trade alert, we posted it right at the opening bell on February the 11th. And this is what the entry price was, what the price of the option at the time of the alert was. And this shows what the price of the option was at the exit. And so with each of these trade alerts, we'll post a profit target upfront and a time limit. And basically, whichever occurs first, that's what will cause the trade to end. And for Las Vegas Sands, it ended up reaching its profit target in 2 days here. And it shows that the return was 41.8%. And that's just taking the exit price on the option contract and dividing it by the entry price. And so it just gives a rate of return of 41.8%. So that's a really solid return for a trade that only lasts a week. And let's take a look at the chart and just see what this one looked like. So this is a stock chart for Las Vegas Sands, and each of these price bars represents 1 day of price activity. And so we sent the trade alert on February the 11th at the opening bell. And so we sent it right here, right where my mouse cursor is pointing on this day, right? At the opening price on this candle. And you can see the timing of it is, well, obviously approved in hindsight to be fantastic because we caught right at the bottom of this valley. But you can see there had been, a drop here. The price was already kind of coming down. It kind of flattened out. Then earnings was announced for this company. The price shot up and then it came back down. And we sent a trade alert right at the opening bell here. And part of the idea behind the trading strategy that's the factor in why we sent a trade alert was that there had been this kind of noticeable drop in price. Sometimes in certain circumstances when the price drops kind of precipitously, it could signal an opportunity for a potential rebound. And we have research that powers all of our trading alerts, that says, well, okay, we see this particular price pattern here for Las Vegas Sands. How many times has this happened in the past for this company, for this stock? And what happened thereafter? If you were to take a trade for a week and buy options for it for a week after this particular type of price sequence, what may have happened historically according to research? And that's what we use to power our decisions about the trade alerts to send. We thought it looked favorable. And indeed, it turned out to be favorable. Now, this may not look like much of a jump here, and that's kind of the beauty of these particular trades is it doesn't take much to lock in the profit. When the underlying stock got to $43 even, that's when that option had a $5 price. The contract for the option itself reached a $5 price, and you can see it got there right at the opening bell of this particular day, 2 days later. And after it reached the profit target, then the price kind of came down. You can see it's a red day here, but we don't care about that because once it hits the profit target, you can be out of the trade and done, and you already locked in your profit and you moved on. And so it's pretty nice because, again, this was a 41% return on investment. And all it took was this little move right here from the entry price here to the opening bell price here. That's it. That's all we're trying to do is just capture these little moves. And with these 1 week options, it can be pretty powerful. Now, obviously not every trade is a winner, and that's the challenge of trading. We try to put as much intelligence as we can into your hands so that you can be making trades that hopefully put the odds in your favor of making profits over time. So this trade definitely worked out. If you have any questions about our service, whether it's our option trade alert service or our stock trade alert service, or just any questions about the market in general, you can contact us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.